Winter is coming.
And winter is coming.
Winter is coming. Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming. Winter is coming.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, we're still giving away the Buzz Cooks embroidered kitchen towels. Real easy. All you gotta do is like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll choose a winner every video. Send it out to you. So, winter is coming. You know what that means. Time to shut down the smoker, the grill, all that for probably the next 3 months. But I'm going to show you how to do barbecue ribs in the house. No smoke, no smell. Well, you might smell a little bit, but you know what I mean. Barbecue ribs in the house. We're doing it next. Stick around. All right, everybody, let's get started on these ribs. Winter is definitely here. Snow, rain, cold. Last thing you want to be is outside trying to smoke ribs or cook ribs on your grill. You can do it inside where it's nice and warm. You can have the game on, watching the game, got your ribs cooking. It's easy. And they're just as good, if not better. So I got a rack of baby back ribs, cut in half. I've taken the membrane off and cut off any extra fat. Now I'm going to take some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to coat both sides of the ribs with the olive oil. And then we're going to come back with our favorite rub and put that liberally all over the ribs. I'm using whole hog, which you can pick up at Walmart. It's my favorite rub, but use whatever you like. And once we get these all coated up nice, we're gonna get our oven preheated to 285 degrees, I believe it is. But before we pop these in the oven, we gotta cover them with aluminum foil. So get your foil out, put it over the top, and make sure you have a very nice tight seal. You want to keep all the steam and everything inside there. It's going to help break down the ribs to make them super, super tender. All right, let's pop these in the oven. And 3 hours later, it'll be time to pull them out and finish them up. So once we get them out of the oven, we're going to take them from the baking dish to a cookie sheet with a slight rack on it. Careful taking that foil off, you don't want to burn yourself. So we're just going to pull out one slab, and we're going to use your favorite barbecue sauce. Mine is Open Pit. So we're going to slather up both sides of the ribs with the Open Pit and hit it again with the barbecue rub. And we're going to do both sides and then place on that rack. Now I've taken my oven now and preheated it up to 400 degrees. Okay? So once we get both racks coated and rubbed, it'll be time to place these back in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So while I'm finishing this up, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. Give yourself a shot at winning the Buzz Cooks embroidered kitchen towel. And we're all set. We'll pop these in. 20 minutes later, we're going to take them out, cut them up, serve them. And you've got delicious barbecue baby back ribs done in the house. You don't have to go out in the cold. And they're just as good, if not better. Make this easy, simple recipe. Everybody's going to love it. And we'll see you on the next one. Good luck.